It's all right there. Woo!
You've done before, haven't you?
That's... Oh, Jesus. This is the only thing holding me up now. You think you'll be able to hold it like...
I'm not going to hold it.
Oh, love. Thank you.
Get down here, mate. Something out the way. He's trying to nose in there and there.
It's only 3 pallets, can we not just get it there?
No,
for the time
mate,
being?
it's alive.
Ah,
The only way you can get is in there.
ah. Yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull in there and then back out.
Back in there. You get in there and then back in. Yep.
I'll try that. Alright. Gonna have to get in there somehow. So, reverse in there. Ah, this is not as easy as it looks. Sorry, pal? I'm gonna go back up in there. Let's see how to get a truck of this. Sorry, pal. Gonna need space. I'm gonna back up in there. Thank you. A little bit more difficult than it looks. Let me have a look at this because I'm not happy with that. Plan this well. Oh, Jesus. Small one. It's very close to that. It's gonna have to be there as close as I can. You'll be able to tell me if I'm too close to that side, pal, please. And this is a blind spot reversing as well. It's all right there. Woo! What's
Before, haven't you?
that's it's just not that much space. You want it right at the back?
Hey?
You want it right at the back?
Yeah, mate, just get off so you can get it going.
All right.
The driver's on his brake.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh man. Oh Jesus. Woo! But I don't see how they're gonna tip me because there's not that much space in here. Because of the traffic and all that, I already got in here, but I think I'm gonna have to get out because my next delivery is at 12 and it's at 10:30, so I better get out because I cannot be late for that one. Better get out of here and come back. I'm gonna have to speak to the guy about it. Honestly, just because of traffic, God. I gotta go, I have to come back again. Are you alright with that? Because I'm gonna be late for a delivery, I can't be late. Gonna have to drive out, trying to speak to the guy, but he's coming this way. But I do need to get out. How am I gonna get? Ah, look how difficult it is to get out as well. Oh my God, this guy in here. Jesus. Oh, I just spoke to the guy there. He said that this place is like this all the time. Oh, look at this traffic key. Difficult to get out. Back of my trailer is gonna hit something. Not gonna jeopardize my trailer. Okay, I'll pull this way. Let me see if I can do it this way. Be able to pull the barrier back. That one, the end. That's the only thing holding me up now. This is the time that I think, why am I doing this? Woo. This is the only thing holding me up now. You think you'll be able to hold it like?
I'm not going to hold it.
Oh, love. Thank you.
Are you going to put it back?
Yeah, I put it back down. Just need to get out. Let's see.
Right?
Yeah, just trying to get out, trying to pull it out, otherwise I'm just going to take it off. Let me see how close I am to this side as well. God's sake. Alright, I got a little bit of room there to play with. That's what I call it. Woo! Oh my God! Woo! Honestly, people don't help whatsoever. Go on, go on. Wow. And what makes it worse is they're gonna have to come back here again. But I need to go and do a delivery, otherwise it's gonna be late. Between traffic and all that, it needs to be there at 12. But between traffic, getting tip and everything, I will not make it. So go and do this and then come back. So they had a guy on break, which it needs to be in a half an hour break. If I didn't get out of there, even though it was a bit of a pain to get in, he should have told me that he wasn't a break, so I wouldn't know. So I would say like, all right mate, give me a point to turn around, I will get out and come back because I need to get this one done. But nothing straightforward, nothing is easy in this job. All right, we're into a station now. Come and do this delivery down here. All right mate, been booked in for 12.
You got on board, mate?
10 pallets. There's a place, Rolling Bulldog.
No problem. Just your first name, mate?
Anthony.
Head to the top, mate, turn it around and just come all the way back down and park next to this one at the line.
Okay.
There's a set of roller doors down the side of me, so they're just on one now. He's going to drive out, he's going to back in.
All right.
So when he goes, your turn.
All right, let's park up. I need to be on that side. All right, at least we parked up now. Well done. Get in there now, get all this tip, and then get it ready for the next one. Let's find out what they say. Hopefully they take it in because I got stuff in it. This was meant to be the third one. Probably want me to back up a bit more as well. All right, this is gonna be the problem with this, is that the pallets, they are coming off, are all the way down there. I need to take all this off to be able to get the other ones off, because this one has to be moved forward after the ones at the front are done. So it's just a nightmare sometimes, this job. It's not gonna be an easy day today. It never is, but today is gonna be one of the hard ones. All I gotta do now is just close these curtains. God, get out of here. Just managed to get out of there. We're going back to the first drop down, then do the rest of them. So we got another 3 going on. It looks calm now. It's like not that many people. Oh, I'd be able to get in and get it done in 2 minutes, I guess. Okay, let's do this. Oh, this is my guy here. Let me see what he says. You all right, pal?
We'll get you over to the fence line.
Yeah.
Stop the traffic coming past.
All right.
And then you say the loads are on the back.
They're halfway now.
Right.
Should be like halfway in. Because like I have to shift it forward. Be on both sides. Don't you think you got a little bit more space in there?
If that's the case, I'll go. Let me go in there with the forks.
Okay.
And then I'll let you pull along wherever you think the loads are, mate.
He's gonna have to move though.
Oh, fuck him. I'll have to. We'll do right.
All right, because it's not much traffic, we don't have to do all that. So that's good news. Woo! They are around. I think they're from there to somewhere there. Just double check it. Free. Yeah, first pallet out. Should be that. Should be fast. This. Good. Can't believe this is going between that. All right, because this one is too far back, I'm gonna have to try to get it on the front. We move this one out. Go and ask him. You know, when you take that last one out, you think you'll be able to move the last pallet and then put them on this side? Thank you. All right, he's moving them pallets for us, but he's gonna go and have a look and see if I'll be able to turn it around. Yeah, so I don't want to commit myself to something that I won't be able to get out. It's better making sure. So I spoke to that, some of the guys there. They're like, yeah, it's plenty of space. And yes, it is. Whew, it's more than enough space to get through. The guy is just moving the pallets now, so gonna get out of there. Didn't even wait or waste 10 minutes on this. Gonna go and get a signature now, and I'll be able to get out of here straight away. Do my next one. All right, I got a postcode and what I need. So all I need to do now is get around this place, which is a bit tight, but we get through, and then get to our next delivery, which is not far. Get there. Oh, get there as quick and safe as we can. Oh yeah, there's plenty of space to turn around. Oh no, we're not going in there. Well, I might say that a little bit too early. Okay. That should be all right. Woo! Look at that. Oh man, I'm sweating today even though the aircon is on. Pull down full blast. Get out of this dump yard. All right. Time to get out of here. Okay, let's go. Let's get to the next place. I just arrived for my next delivery now, so better put my hair at this. But this is the end of 10 pallets getting dropped off. What a day. What a day. Yeah, finish the delivery now. Curtains are closed, so it's time to go. So anyway, guys, thank you for following. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the help while you follow. Everybody's been amazing. Thank you for the comment, even the bad comments as well. But because when you leave a bad comment, it busts my algorithm. So thank you to you as well, and thank you for the guys that always follow, like, view to the end, and leave a nice comment. You are the best. You know what? I haven't got words to describe the way I feel, but thank you for everything. All right, cheers. See you in the next one.